Hey guys, Vince at McLaren Car Care. The wash and wax is one of my personal favorite. If you are in a rush or you want to do a two-in-one while washing your car, you're also going to wax it, this is the product for you. This product is highly concentrated, so the formula is going to allow you to end your washing process with a very high gloss finish just because of the infusion of wax we've put in this formula. Let me show you how to apply it and how to get the best results out of it.